Hello, first graders. Mrs. Gordon is back for another adventure. We are going on a great adventure today because we are going to learn a new sound that takes us into the ocean where there are lots of fish that swim there. One in particular we're going to talk about today is a shark. One of our new sounds is the bossy R. And bossy R always bosses around a vowel. So there will always be a vowel before it. So in this case, the combination is A and R, and together they go R, like in ark or bark. Yeah. So A and R together, when I see it, when I read, most of the time says R, like in shark. A couple of years ago, I went to Florida to a beach called Boca Grande. And at this beach, did you know that sharks lose their teeth all the time? They just lose them all the time. And they lose them and eventually they wash up onto shore. So when I went to Boca Grande, I found shark teeth. These are two of the bigger ones that I found that had fallen out of a shark's mouth. And they washed up onto the shore. So that's just a little fun fact for our adventure today, that sharks lose their teeth and just grow new ones all the time. They're not like humans where we lose a baby tooth and then we get an adult tooth. Their teeth are always falling out and they eventually wash up onto the shore somewhere. So just a little fun fact. So the first bossy R combination we're going to work on in our blending today is the AR combination that says R, like in shark. Okay? The second one we're going to work on is ER. Now, ER says Try that. Like in fern. That's a plant that grows in the woods. A fern. But most of the time, this ER is found at the end of a word, like letter, like you get in the mail, a letter. And we're going to talk about this ER at the end today when we blend, because we're going to work on some two-syllable words and talk about a rule to divide a two-syllable word up into parts so it's easier for us to read. So we're going to be working on ER at the end. It can also be in the middle in some words, and we're going to talk about some of them as well. So we'll do both today. So we're going to do the sound. Can you try that? Go Now this sound is different from the R sound. A lot of us get them confused, but R by itself doesn't say It says like a motor. Say rabbit. That's R by itself. R is not saying in rabbit. Rabbit. It doesn't go rabbit. It says rabbit. Okay? So when R is with E, it makes that sound. So that's a little bit different sound than R by itself. So we have to be very careful about mixing up those two sounds. So today we're going to work on ER going Try that again. Go like fern. Fern. Good job. All right. So first we're going to start out because we've been adding lots of letters to our pile. So we're going to start out with our letter drill where I show you the letter or letters and you make the sound that those letter or letters make. Okay? So when you see that AR together, remember it's R like in shark, and ER together is like in fern. All right, so just like always, Mrs. Gordon's going to show you the card, and then I want you to make the sound. If you're not sure of what the sound is, Mrs. Gordon's going to tell you what the sound is. I'm just going to give you a second to do it yourself, okay? All right. I'm not sure if you've seen this card in a while, so I want to talk a little bit about it. This is when we have magic E. And when magic E is with A, what sound does it make? Did you say A? Yes, that's when A is long. A. Ah, this is our vowel team from last week. Did you say A again? Good job. O. J. B. K. T. St. Remember, you need both of those. That's a blend. We hear both. St. Ch. L. K. M. Oh, there's that shark. This is the beginning sound in shark, though. Shark. Sh. P. R. Very good, like in the middle of shark. Good job. Okay, what's this one going to say? Remember, Oh, there's that magic key again. So what's O going to say? O. A, that vowel team. O. B. T. F. N. V. O. Here's another blend. Fl. And cl. Good job. All right. So now Mrs. Gordon's going to put up her blending board. Give me just a second. And we're going to use our bossy R combinations that we just learned today to practice when we see them in reading some blending that we're going to do. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with this one. Make sure there's no glare on there. So remember how we do this. I go fingers up, ready, read, and we're going to look at the sounds, do the sounds, and then very quickly go back to that beginning and blend it together as quickly as we can. Okay, so let's find some words that have that bossy A-R combination, R. Fingers up, ready, read. J, R, jar. Good job. Fingers up, ready, read. F, R, far. Fingers up, ready, read. B, R, bar. Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get car? Good job. Oh, here's a blend. Think about what that says. Fingers up, ready, read. St, R, star. Good job. Okay, now we're going to add a letter on the end over here. So we're going to change this up a little bit. Make it a little bit harder. So I added an ending sound now, so you got to think about what that says. Ready? Fingers up. Ready? Read. Ch. Art. Ch. Art. Chart. Did you get chart? Good job. Fingers up. Ready? Read. St. Art. Did you get start? Ooh, what happens if I take off this one? Now what do we get? Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get star? Star. Star. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to add a different letter here. Oh, pay attention. Ready? Fingers up, ready, read. Ark. Lark. That's a bird. Good job. Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get ark? Mark. Good job. Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get shark, like we talked about in our fun fact today? Ark, shark. Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get park? Ark, park. Oh, and what if I do this? Now what do we get? Fingers up, ready, read. Art, part. Good job. All right, now I'm going to change this up. All right. Fingers up, ready, read. Ert. Bert. Yeah, like Ernie and Bert on the Sesame Street, if you've ever seen that. Bert. Bert. So in this word, we have that ER, in the middle of the word. Okay, so we're going to do a few of those. Oh, pay attention. I'm going to change 2 this time. Fingers up, ready, read. Did you get fern? Earn, fern. Fingers up, ready, read. Earn, vern. Did you get vern? That can be a name. Yes, a name. Okay, now, this time I'm going to take my ER and I'm going to put it at the end of the word this time. Okay, so we're going to change this up and put it at the end of the word. So just a second. I got to switch my letters up here.